All right, well, it hasn't been that much of an active day for us across the UP. We have seen wind and a few flurries, but boy, do I have a chilling forecast for you over the next 4 to 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and start off by talking about our advisories, which right here into Alger County, you will be the sweet spot for the snow over the next day or so, as there is currently a winter weather advisory out for the county. That is going to be until 7 a.m. heading into Thursday morning, looking out for between 3 to 6 inches of snow, as we still do have an open body of water that is not frozen in Lake Superior, and that's going to generate more of that lake effect snow once the Arctic air really plunges in later tonight heading into Thursday. But for the rest of us, it's just going to be cold. Wind chill advisory out for Marquette, down into Dickinson, Iron, Baraga, Houghton, Keweenaw, Ontonagon, and Gogebic County from 3 a.m. tonight until noon tomorrow. Watch out for wind chills closer to 25 to 30 degrees below zero. Dangerous stuff, so make sure that you do dress warmly, have all of that exposed skin covered so that you will be prepared for the elements. Here's a look now at our current radar. Yes, a lot of the activity is farther off to the south, as you'll see a lot of furious flurries down here into northern portions of the lower peninsula. For us, we've just seen scattered flurries, expecting more of that activity right here from Lake Superior as we head into the overnight and definitely by tomorrow. And plenty of clouds on the way for us with much colder air, which looks to keep highs for a few of us in the negative territory. Here's a look at your current conditions. 7 degrees, north winds at 9 miles per hour. Wind chills are below zero. We'll take a look at that coming up here in a few seconds. 7 degrees in Marquette, and just a few degrees cooler as you go off to the west, as we're closer to that 0 degree mark at 2 in Ontonagon, 3 up to Houghton, 2 in Lawrence, more of the lower teens in Florence and in Crystal Falls, both at 10, and in the upper single digits in Munising, lower teens in Escanaba at 12 degrees, and here for us in Ishpeming, we are at 7 degrees. Here a look at your current winds, which are coming in from the northwest, starting to pick up for us too. 16 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, 13 in Escanaba, and at 13 in Houghton. And statewide temperatures, more of the upper teens as you go farther south here into portions of Alpena and Alscoda, even farther off to the south here. Flint, 23 degrees, but for us, we are starting to get that next intrusion of Arctic air to push its way in, and that will continue to cover the region as we head into the overnight. And here a look at your current wind chill. 6 below in Marquette, 1 below currently in Iron Mountain, and already in Ironwood, we are at 10 degrees below zero. As I mentioned, though, earlier, the wind chill advisory is in place, so expect those to drop even more into the evening. Dipping below zero with our overnight air temperatures, as we'll fall closer to negative 10 degrees. Frigid with a stray flurry or two for the most of us, but once again, watch out for Alger County. You're going to be picking up on a little more of that snow, and just downright cold over the next few days. Highs barely getting to maybe zero tomorrow. Thursday, even colder for us, and it looks to be the chilliest day of the work week. Here's a look at that snowfall forecast as we head over the next 24 to 36 hours. Most of the region maybe picking up an inch, but it is going to be right here around probably Grand Marais, Munising, where we've seen that snow as of late, that we do pick up closer to 3 to 6 inches. And, well, for that cooler air, yes, it is starting to push its way in. Big bubble of Arctic air continuing to work its way through the northern Great Lakes, and it will continue to push its way southward as we go into tomorrow. And we'll be looking out for more of those light flurries for the majority of us, but once again, watch out as you get closer to Alger County. Here's a look at your Futurecast model. Tonight, mostly cloudy, and then here comes the lake effect snow coming right around there. You'll notice that it continues on throughout the afternoon, and then as we get into closer to Thursday morning, it looks like that activity will start to back its way back up to the north, but we'll see that temperatures are not going to really warm up much as we head through the next few days. Dropping down to negative 12 tonight with the scattered lake effect snow starting to push in. Northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Heading into Wednesday, more breezy with scattered snow showers on the way for a lot of us. Northwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour and very light snow showers at that. 3 degrees for your high in Lawrence. Below zero, that is. 3 below in Ontonagon, 2 in Crystal Falls, also at 2 above in Iron Mountain. We'll be at 1 below in Marquette, and 4 above in Munising, and 6 above in Manistique. So for your bus stop forecast, yeah, look out for that slight chance of a flurry as you head out tomorrow morning. Have the kids bundled up with wind chill advisory in effect. They are going to need to have everything covered and have the gloves, the mittens, the scarves, and the hats on. Your 7-day forecast, a high of only 4 below heading into Thursday. It's probably seeing a little bit more sunshine, though, than what we'll see tomorrow. 9 on Friday, and even back into the upper teens on Saturday before more of that cooler air comes in by Sunday.